Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. So in honor of all the hardworking teachers out there, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a fun apple surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Teacher Appreciation surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. And then I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing our apple. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve up and down to here. Then I'm going to start right here. I'm going to curve this up and down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'll kind of bring this up. And then we'll bring this line down and in. And we'll curve it up. Then I'll just put another little kind of smiley face right in there. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, over, and then down for the stem. And I'll draw a little curve line in there. Then for the leaf, let's just draw a line that curves up and down with a little line down the middle. Then let's put a little shine on our apple. Let's make an oval shape right here, and then a smaller oval shape right here for our fun little apple. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now when I open this up, I have two halves of my apple, the top and the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. Now I want to give my apple a little face. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to make another circle for an eye. Then I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle here. I'll do the same thing here. Let's just make a circle here and then a circle here. And then let's just go ahead and let's color this part in real quick. Now let's give our apple a mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a nice big smile right here. And we'll draw a little curve on each side. And then I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to make a nice big smile. And we'll make two little bumps for the tongue. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. And then I want to write the word teacher right in here. So I'm going to begin by making a T. So we're just going to draw the T here. And I'm going to go a little bit faster on this part, but you can always slow this down so you can kind of catch up. So we'll do the T. We're going to make the E right next to it. Then we'll put the A over here. And you can see I'm kind of putting some of these letters behind each other. We'll make the C. Make the H. We'll make another E. And then we'll make the R. Then we're going to write the word happy up here, but I wanted this one to be in bold, and we'll write everything else smaller. So I'm just going to write the word happy up here. And then we're going to write the word appreciation down here. So we're just going to go A, P, P, R-E-C-I-A-T-I-O-N-N. Then we're gonna make kind of like a big, kind of like explosion kind of looking effect here. So I'm just gonna make some big kind of zigzag lines all the way around here. So we're just gonna kind of make these kind of pop all the way around. Then I'm just going to connect these lines here, and I'll connect these lines up here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. We're just going to connect our apple here. And then we'll bring this line down, just kind of connect our apple here. Then let's just add some fun little things around here. So I'm going to make like a little pencil. So I'll draw 2 lines. We'll make a point here. We'll make a curve line here, and then 2 more curve lines. We'll make a curve here and a line here for the point of our pencil. We're gonna make a paper over here, so we'll just draw a little L shape, another line and a line down, and then we'll just put some little squiggles on it. Let's make a little happy face over here. We'll make 2 little lines for here. And we'll make a big line here with a line here for the mouth. And we'll do a little curved line for the tongue. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Teacher Appreciation Day surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, I've got my fun little apple. And then when I open it, we've got a fun surprise fold. And this works out for a great card for Teacher Appreciation Week. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.